The Kids Soccer Goals set is perfect for transforming any backyard into a personal soccer field, encouraging kids to enjoy healthy outdoor play away from screens. Made from durable materials like 450D Oxford fabric and high elastic fiberglass poles, this soccer goal set is built to withstand intense play and last for multiple seasons. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions, allowing kids to set up the soccer net themselves without the need for special tools or expertise. This complete soccer goal kit includes everything needed for practice, from the pop-up goals to the soccer ball and cones, making it ideal for honing various soccer skills. The portable design, featuring a foldable structure and carrying bag, allows for easy transport to various locations, ensuring soccer fun anytime, anywhere. Suitable for kids of all ages, this versatile soccer goal set is perfect for backyard practice, skill enhancement, and inspiring young athletes to improve their game.